sometimes in this world is driven so much in terms of there's always something to attain. You need to travel somewhere to get something. You need to do something to get something.
In Shaolin philosophy, we are taught that breath controls the mind, and the mind controls the body. So if your mind is scattered, anxious, or afraid, check your breath. It is likely shallow, fast, irregular. And this is not a coincidence. Your breath reflects your inner world. But the beautiful secret is, you can reverse it.
When I do physical movement, moving the joints, tensioning, contracting the muscle, releasing the muscle, making use of the joints, let's say, how does the breath actually connect or interact at the same time with the kinetic movement of my body? And this is where we talk about sounding a little bit philosophical, but the connection between what you view as the outside world and what is inside of you, your thoughts, your emotions, all of this. The link in between there, it's the breath. It's like the breath is that element that travels from the outside into the inside, exchanges, travels back to the outside. It is what links us to this world. Then, if you want something to function, it needs energy. You have a car or you have an engine, and that engine is supposed to create some output. It needs something that can be burned, which can be gasoline, and you have oxygen, which then go into the combustion chamber.
Control the breath, and the mind will follow. Now, in modern language, this is called rewiring your brain. Neuroscience proves what ancient masters already knew. Conscious breathing changes brain patterns. When you breathe slowly, deeply, and consciously, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system. You calm the amygdala, the fear center. You allow your prefrontal cortex, the seat of reason and clarity, to take the lead. This is how you rewire the brain. Before we begin the physical movement, we must return to stillness. It is in stillness where true transformation begins.
Inhale. Ready. And here now on the push. And soft again. Soft. So, inhale, slowly, prepare on the exhalation. Soft again, return. And continue. Inhale, soft, prepare, shoot, soft, and relax. 3 more times. Inhale.
It trains you to stay present, helping reduce anxiety and overthinking.
Prepare, exhale. Relax, come back. Yes. 2 more times. Inhale. Prepare. Yes. And on the exhalation, bring out. One more time. Inhale. Prepare. And go. And relax. Yes, so that is now, you can maybe already tell, now it's becoming now the ability of using your breath now becomes more suitable, more useful actually when we start combining all of these things with martial art movement. Now we make everything even bigger. Same principle like I'm telling you since the beginning of this session. breathing, movement, relaxation and tension, and this time short inhalation and short exhalation, but together with a bigger movement. Look. Just stay. The weight is on the right leg. The weight is here on the right leg. Okay, and now wait. Yeah. Weight is on the right leg. Arms easy from here. Both hands here on the waist. Now let me show you first the inhalation.
Deep Dantian. Breathing cultivates your life force qi and stores it in the energy center, building resilience, vitality, and stamina.
When this is inhale. When I shift my weight on the back leg here, this I inhale. Now exhale, I make it slow first. Here. Small step, don't need to make a big step yet, we just practice the principle. Weight on the left leg, weight on the front, double palm, push. Not here, just here. Then I drop in, out. Okay. Here, inhale. Out. Drop the hands. Now, when the weight goes back, inhale, out. This is out. Here I start inhale already. Back in, step out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay? In, out. Okay, go for yourself a few times. So remember, also right now we have integrated the legs. When the weight is on the right leg here, inhale. Inhale. Step. Exhale. This time see the weight from the right leg before we were here. Now is here. Okay. Now it's here. On the push, it's almost like here. Yeah, must not be 100%, 90, 10, 80, 20, all still okay. The main point is you have very clearly inside. Now it's behind, now it's in the front. Now it's behind, now it's in the front. Now it's behind, now it's in the front. Now I inhale, here I exhale. Here I'm in, here I'm out. Here I'm in, here I'm out. This is the movement. This is the movement now. Breathing, movement, and also the exchange also from small to large. I exaggerate again for you. Here, look, I'm small. I don't necessarily stand up like this. Okay. Here, small. Now we can open a little bit here.
As you exhale, you're not just letting go of carbon dioxide, you're letting go of emotional tension, anger, fear, and stress. The body begins to feel lighter.
And now we are increasing the intensity of this movement and make it become even more, or a little bit more martial. Therefore, now quick inhalation, quick exhalation. Not slow inhalation, quick inhalation, quick exhalation. Yeah? And then it's like this, look. Yeah.
When your breathing becomes even and steady, your emotions follow. You respond to life with patience, clarity, and inner peace.
Okay, so quick inhalation through the nose, it can happen that it makes some sound because it's too quick, yeah? Okay, try for yourself. Oh no, let's go together 8 times. Quick inhalation, quick exhalation. Nice. Okay. Then left leg. Left leg. Inhale. Go. 2 in. Go. 3 in. Go!
Each breath is a soft command. Relax, release, return.
5 in. Go! 6 in. Go! 7 in. Go! And 8. Go!